Now, children, beginning with the second part of the print assignment, this is how we have done the printing of a leaf by applying some poster colors on the leaf. It can be different colors which are used on the leaf, or it can be the same color which can be used on the leaf. So now, continuing with the textures and print assignment, this is the print part of the assignment that I am showing you. See, this is how we apply the color, or you can even collect the leaves, different types of leaves, and print them. Take some colors on the palette and put colors on the leaf and print them on the plain paper like this. You can see different leaves used for printing here. The leaves can of course be of single color also. Then this is a piece of a log, or you can say a piece of wood on which some twine, or you can say the wool, has been wrapped in such a way that when you print it, you'll automatically get good design on the paper. This is a fork, plastic fork that is used for printing. This is a bubble wrap sheet. This sheet can be painted, dipped in the paint and printed like this. Now here again I have used a small piece of wood on which I have cut and pasted these strips of foam sheet, which gave me such prints. This again is the same way, a wooden piece on which the foam sheet has been pasted and taken the prints on. This is fully the foam sheet that has been used. This is the corrugated sheet. Children, the boxes, cartons that you have at home can be used in this manner. The cartons can be dipped in color and then printed. So children, by using these prints and the textures, we can create an assignment like this also. Both the textures and prints can be seen together in this assignment. See, the dress of the girl is the textures part, and here is the print. The basket again is the textured part. Both the texture and print can be used in one assignment like this, or like this. This again, the trees are the print part, and below the tree the ground is the texture part. Here again, one more to show the textures on the tree and print on the background of the tree. This type of assignment, clubbed assignment I mean to say, can be created for showing up your own talent and creativity. So, children, this was the second assignment of textures and print which you are supposed to do. All the best, children.